Question number 6. It is given that the coefficient of x cube in the expansion of 2 plus ax whole power 4 times 5 minus ax is equals to 432. Find the value of constant a. We know that for the expansion a plus b whole power n is equals to a to the power of n plus n combination 1 a to the power of n minus 1 times b to the power of 1, then n combination 2 a to the power of n minus 2 b square plus dot dot dot, it moves up to the a to the power b to the power of n. So we will apply this formula to the given 2 minus ax whole power 4. So 2 plus ax whole power 4 times 5 minus ax. Now in this case n is, this one is n, which is 4. So a to the power of 4 means 2 to the power of 4 plus 4 combination 1, 2 to the power of 4 minus 1 time b, which is ax, then 4 combination 2 time 2 to the power of 4 minus 2, then ax whole square, then 4 combination 3 and 2 to the power of 4 minus 3 and ax whole cube plus 4 combination 4, then 2 to the power of 4 minus 4 and ax whole power 4, and this one multiplied with the 5 minus ax. Okay, we need to find the only the coefficient of x cube. So when we multiply this whole expansion with 5 minus ax, what are the terms which will have the x cube terms? So you can see that when 5 multiplied by this term which has x cube, so we will have x cube term. Similarly, when negative ax multiply with a square term, we will have x cube term. So we just need to multiply these two terms with the 5 and ax to get the x cube term. So 4 combination 2, 2 to the power of 4 minus 2 is 2 square time a square x square, this one, plus 4 combination 3, 2 to the power of 4 minus 3 is 2 and ax whole cube is a cube x cube. This one will be multiplied with 5 minus ax. These are the only term which will give us x cube term. When we multiply this term with this term, we will get x cube, and when we multiply this term with 5, so we will have x cube term. So 4 combination 2 is 4 times 3 over 2 times 1. 2 square is 4 a square x square time negative ax plus 4 combination 3 is 4 time 2 time a cube time x cube, and this term will be multiplied with 5. So only these two term will give us x cube term. So this one will be 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So 24 a square x square time negative ax plus 8 a cube x cube time 5. Okay, when we multiply we will have 24 a cube x cube, which is negative, and plus 8 times 5 is 40 a cube x cube. Now the coefficient of x cube is given, which is 432. 432, and here we know that coefficient is negative 24 a cube plus 40 a cube time x cube. So the coefficient is negative 24 a cube plus 40 a cube. So this one is equals to the 16 a cube is equals to 432. So a cube will be equals to 432 over 16, and this one is equals to 27. So we will have a cube is equal to 27. When we cube root both sides, so we will have a is equals to 3. So this one is the required value of constant a.